Did you know there's a bird still alive today that actually lived during the time of the dinosaurs? Yes, and now it's time to test your knowledge. Here are your 4 options. Option A, cassowary. Option B, ostrich. Option C, dodo. Think carefully. Option D, something else. Which of these birds is still alive and once walked the earth with dinosaurs? And the correct answer is cassowary. Yes, this mysterious bird still roams the jungles of Australia and New Guinea. And it's a living relative of the dinosaurs. If you got it right, awesome job. If not, don't worry. More mind-blowing quizzes are on the way. Subscribe to Con Birds and keep your brain flying.